So for the past couple years, I have been loving the O'Cedar Spin Mop. A lot of you are wanting me to try the Rinse Clean Mop, also made by O'Cedar, because it provides constant clean fresh water instead of dunking my mop head back into the same water. So I ordered it and I thought I'd do a little comparison. First, I'll compare the size of the mop heads. The original is much larger than the new Rinse Clean version, and I like the feel of the microfiber better on the original as well. To fill up the bucket in the original, it's pretty easy. I just fill it about halfway full with the sink water, and then the rest of the bucket I fill with my heated water. And then I just added a little bit of vinegar. The new mop is a little bit more complicated. It has the 2-tank bucket system, and you must fill the water into the little hole on the top. Trying to add hot water was a little more difficult, but doable. I added the vinegar, but was unable to mix them, so I had to shake the tank. To remove most of the water from the mop heads, both have the foot-activated pedal and the spinning compartment. The original has a larger spinning bucket that the mop head fits into, which provides ample room for the spin. The blue one is much smaller and it barely fit the mop head. I mopped the whole house, one side with the original and the other side with the Rinse Clean mop. The original was very easy. You just dunk, spin, mop, then repeat. The Rinse Clean, you have to let some of the clean water into the bucket. Then you dunk until you soak up all the water. Then you spin it, then you mop. Then you have to add more clean water to the little bucket again, and then soak it up with the mop, then spin again. I had to do this each and every time, which was kind of a hassle. And the water ran out on the Rinse Clean, and I had to refill it 3 times. I honestly was not a fan of this mop system at all, and will continue with my original O'Cedar. Once I did the dirty water test, I wasn't shocked to find that the Rinse Clean mop's water was going to come out pretty clear. It seemed like it was leaving a lot of water out on the floor or something because the bucket got really light and it made it very unstable when I wanted to pump. Definitely a thumbs down for this one.